Hey everybody, it is finally time to do the Jackery battery unboxing. I don't know how to do an unboxing video. So it's just gonna be, taking it out of a box. But hopefully we'll get to see how complicated or not complicated this is. Please like and subscribe below, and that will make it easier for other people to find the content and for you to find out when we put up another video. Let's go check out the Jackery. Okay, so we got the Jackery. This is our kind of, I don't know, I guess it's our plan B for power, or maybe it's our plan A plus. Maybe a little bit of something extra to power up our battery and to power up our devices. I think that's gonna be the big need. So we got the Jackery. This is, what is this? Let's look. It's the 500 watt, the 518. Yeah, the Explorer 500. And then I got some solar panels. We'll figure out what to do with those too. Okay, let's start with opening the box. It's got a nice big thing here. It says open. Oh my gosh, very exciting. I have absolutely no idea how to make any of this work. So we'll see how it goes. All right. I love a good box. Okay, so it says, please charge your portable power station to ensure full capacity. And for maximum battery power, charge me now and every 6 months. Or keep me plugged in when not in use. Okay, I can do that. Ooh, this is smaller than I thought it was gonna be. That's cool. Look, accessories. Charlie's excited about the accessories. Right, okay. I'm gonna go out on a limb here. This must be how we charge this baby at home. And this is what I was super interested in, which is the ability to charge it in the car when we're driving. So Charlie, you're gonna have to make room in the back seat. In this nice little case, everything comes in. Okay, now to the box. Let's see. Okay, it's not super heavy. These are directions. These are directions. I'm guessing these are directions. I'm going to read them because my husband will not. Okay. So what do I get? Do I get a sticker for my laptop? Because I'm a big fan of stickers for my laptop. I think it's got, okay, so let's look at the features because I did some research on this. So yeah, it's got an AC port, and then it's got 3 USB ports. These inputs I will probably never ever use, nor will I use that, but this is the DC port. We don't have anything like that's light and small that we have a DC charger with. Just as a reminder, AC and DC, right? So DC, think cigarette lighter, super small stuff that you can run off of low power, versus AC, those are like the plugs at your house. You need to plug your laptop and power it up with an AC power. So normally we'll do that in the camper using, we have a lithium battery, which gets its energy from solar panels, but this is our backup option. I'm pretty excited about it. And so because we're doing it all at once, let's check this out. So, all right. This is for starters, this is a suitcase, I think is the way they talk about this. Yeah. Okay, so these are the solar panels, obviously. But because I'm all about the accessories, let's see. I'm gonna guess yes. Okay, so this is mounted here. And then this, I just found a reason to use one of these ports right here. Yeah, okay, this is so simple. So I guess the idea is we will undo that, but we can use these solar panels, which I think is gonna be, yeah, there's like a thing on the back. I'll have to like actually check this out to see how you're supposed to use it. Maybe you do it like this? Yeah, that looks good to me. What do you think? I think I got it. So it'll be solar panels hooked up to the Jackery when we're camping. That will give this power. This is so simple. I was feeling really intimidated about doing this video because I was like, I don't know anything about how these things work. I don't know how they're going to connect. I mean, this is like the Apple version of a solar powered battery and solar panels. I feel very confident for our trip. Okay, that had to be the world's simplest thing to do. Lesson learned, if you feel intimidated about something around camping, chances are you totally don't need to be. Whether it's hooking up your camper to the hitch or the first time you back it up, okay, well, maybe you need to be a little intimidated by that. There's nothing worse than trying to back up your camper and having it go poorly. But this is an example where it is super simple. So just a reminder to like and subscribe. You can also check out our website, happiercamperowners.com. Happy camping, everybody.